making our Christmas memories.
So we have just bought loads of treats for the sleeper train. The Lidl is literally right across the road, isn't it, Mike? So we've bought a load of treats. There's a kitchen in our lodge in Lapland. So go on then.
This is what I'm eating tonight, my giant Kinder Egg.
Yeah, so we thought it'd be a real good idea to pick up some snacks. Mike wanted some local beers and I wanted some Bluegie. So yeah, all packed, ready to go. So we shall see you on the sleeper train.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
So we've just boarded the Santa Express. Ollie's just sat looking out the window.
Yep, we're at another station.
Give him a wave, Al. And the rooms.
It's snowing outside.
It is snowing outside, isn't it? Where are we going tomorrow?
I'll show them outside.
Yeah, go on then.
We're gonna show you outside.
It's snowing.
I'll give it back to Mummy.
Thanks. Yep, so we are just at another station just picking up some more passengers. But so far so good. The train's really nice, isn't it? There's double bed in this room, so there's bed up there. Mike and Parker are just in there. We're going to wait for one of the assistants to open the door so we can have it open through the night, because I think Ollie and Luca are going to crash in here tonight. Where are we going tomorrow, boys?
Lapland.
Lapland! So we get to go and see, who do we get to see in Lapland?
Santa Claus.
Anyway, we're going to Lapland tomorrow. We're going to try and get our heads down. We arrive rovanemi at 7:30 morning, so we need to get some sleep.
Bye.
By the fire and chill, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are arriving to Rovaniemi in 15 minutes. And in Rovaniemi, we will arrive to track number 1 and doors will open to the left side. This train will continue to Kemijärvi at 7:37.
So but we are just waiting to leave the Santa sleeper. It's about 7:30 in the morning. There's a lot of snow and the boys are pretty excited. next time for part 3 of this Interrail Christmas special as we explore Rovanemi, Lapland and all it has to offer. Hit subscribe. See you next time.